I miss that sexy smile. You, I hope I would lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time.
Hello my beautiful peoples. Hello, hope you guys are doing super well. My name is Odette. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, and I just want to wish all of you guys a very happy, healthy 2023. So I am just popping in to say hello today. I'm just popping in to say hi, to give you guys a little bit of an update. I was off YouTube last year because I really wanted to lose that distraction of worrying about the analytics and my watch time. And I thought, you know what, enough of that. Let me just get off of this YouTube streets for now. And I really wanted to focus on things that was making me happy, bringing me joy, focus on things that was bringing in the money, okay? And I did not want to always think about, oh my God, I'm going to upload a video, are people going to watch, the analytics, blah, blah, blah. And I'm not going to be doing that anymore. I'm back on YouTube. This is my first video for 2023. And my hope is that this channel will be monetized this year. It's not a goal in mind because I've been on YouTube for so long. I've been in YouTube groups and it wasn't very supportive as those groups claim to be. I remember I was in a YouTube group, support group at one point, and every single person in that who was in that group, all of their channels are monetized and mine still isn't. So obviously the support really wasn't there, and I feel like it was being used because I was giving all the updates saying that I'm running this playlist and I'm running that playlist, and I was just left out in the cold. And I thought, that's horrible support. That really isn't. So I'm not really going there this year, although I've been getting a lot of requests and DMs to join this group and join that group, and I'm thinking absolutely not. Groups does not work. So even if a couple of people watch my videos, it's no big deal. I'm not mad at that, but I'm just going to do the best that I can on this channel, and I really hope you guys are going to stay subscribed, you know, leave me your comments, turn on your notification bell. I am not going to promise you that I'm going to upload videos 2 or 3 times a week. You're going to be seeing weekly videos from me, and of course if you do have any suggestions of videos that you want to see, you can please let me know. I'm looking at my phone because I'm expecting a call any second now, so I'm trying to rush through this video quickly before my phone rings. But that's the update. This is my first video back in YouTube for 2023, and again, with no expectations. I'm happy to see you guys. Although I was off YouTube, I was still very much active on YouTube, you know, watching your videos and stuff like that. And I just want to say thank you guys for your patience, and I'm going to try to bring you guys really good videos this year, and hopefully things are going to go well, because I really want you guys to be a huge part of my YouTube journey. So I hope you guys are doing well. I wish you guys a fantastic day. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. The next video you guys are going to be seeing sometime next week is my skincare video, because I've added a few things to my skincare routine for the winter season, and you're going to be seeing that video next. But that's the update. There is nothing crazy and major to report. I mean, there are other things that are happening in my life which I'm not going to talk about, but I'm just going to keep those things very, very personal. But for now, I am happy to be back on YouTube, and I'm doing really well, and I thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, and for commenting, and for sharing, and for staying subscribed, and all of that. And I shall see you guys in my next video. And I'm just going to leave you with this thought, to always choose happy, and whatever your heart desires, do that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
I miss that sexy smile. You are